Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is meant by perfect inelastic demand. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about inelastic demand, and today we are going to discuss that what is meant by perfect inelastic demand. Basically, perfect inelastic demand occur or exist when change in price have no effect on change in demand. So then it is called perfectly inelastic demand. And in case of perfect inelastic demand, elasticity of demand is equals to 0. And in case of perfectly inelastic demand, the demand curve will be vertical. Here on y-axis we are taking price, and on x-axis we are taking quantity demand. So let's say this is our P1, then price changes from P2, then price changes from P2 to P3, but the quantity remain is at Q1. So P1 with Q1, P2 with Q1, P3 with Q1. So the demand curve will be vertical. So in case of perfect inelastic demand, elasticity demand is 0 and the demand curve will be vertical. And we can also write in a table form. Here is price and quantity. Price changes from 10 to 15, then it goes to 20, but the quantity remain it as 40. Price is changing, but there is no change in quantity. So price is increasing, but quantity is constant. So in this case, our demand curve will be vertical, and we can take the example of salt. So if the price of salt goes higher or goes lower, we are not willing to buy this product more or less. So this is the example for perfect inelastic demand. So in case of perfect inelastic demand, price is changing but there is no change in demand.